Alright, you world shakers, I'm back. We're gonna start this up, and then I'm gonna switch it over to the batteries. We're gonna run off the inverter, and then I'll run out real quick and shut the generator off, just so you guys know I ain't pulling one on you. Alright, let's get it started. Alright, get the inverter on. Now we're going to switch it over. I built a box set of switches here so I can swap both legs. There we go. Now I'm going to shut the generator off. Now we're running off the power that it's putting out and what's in the batteries. But we have an issue of charging. It slowly diminishes my charge. But that's something that we can deal with. Maybe I'll have to put another inverter in the system and leave my charger in the loop. I don't know. You guys are seeing it for the first time just like me, and it's running off the batteries. There's your amps. I'm going to hook up this third link and see what it wants to do. Here we go. That's 3 links. Let's see if it wants to charge any better. Yeah, won't seem to. But it's taking its time going down. Yeah, that's on each leg, 1.68. So that would be 3, 4, 4.5. So why are we not charging? Let's see if my batteries aren't 100%. I don't know. Something I got to figure out, but like I say, it's running off of 3 batteries, all hooked in for 12 volts. But it is running. Well, now all I gotta do is separate the pepper from the fly poop, as they say, in my neck of the woods. Might be I need to put a transformer in system somewhere, or capacitors might be the ticket. Seems like occasionally it gets a little bump and it goes back, charges just for a little bit, and then it drops again. I've seen that twice. Oh, it'll stop here pretty soon. We'll let you see it run down to where she kills the inverter. That way you guys know I'm not pulling any strings. I ain't even put my hands up there, let you see them. One's holding the camera and the other is up front. Yeah. No, I ain't bullshitting you people. It's working. It's not working 100%, but it's about 98. Here we go. And that's the end of it. The inverter dies. And the batteries will start going back up now. The inverter's off and there's no load. That sound you're hearing is just my little inverter up here running my Wi-Fi, just so you know. But, yeah. What do you think of that, people? Voltage still climbing? Yeah, well. Anyway, give me an attaboy or tell me I'm full of shit. Either way, I don't care, really. I really would like to see what you people think. Of course, I've already kind of noticed that we had quite a few views on this project. Yeah, I really want to get this thing putting out gold. At least holding its own where you can piggyback something out of the system. I could do that while it was running. I mean, I'm sure I could have tagged off of that other leg. But, I don't know. We'll figure it out. Uncle Dean coming at you from the Bitterroot Wilderness of Idaho. Living on the edge and loving it. It's a dirty job, but somebody got to do it. Hang in there. The world will be better. You're the ones that'll make it that way. Stay in the middle of the road, people. Be as good a person as you can. And leave it to others to do the same. They will or they won't. Bye con Dios, my friends.